Michael would like to show the other participants of the video conference various images that are saved on his laptop. To do this, he selects the button Start Screen Sharing. To explicitly confirm access to his screen, he clicks the corresponding Allow button. He then selects the screen that the others should be able to see. Now all participants can see what he sees on the screen. Michael would now like to show the others the files he wants to discuss with them. To do this, he navigates to the files and opens them. Once he has shown the files, he wants the others to no longer be able to see his screen. To do this, he clicks the button Stop Sharing. Now, the others can no longer see his screen.